Hello, what up, guys? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy, Famous Nelson. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to make a name tag or signature as a DJ and music producer. Please, in case you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video. So when I say name tag, I mean something like this.
Is Famous on the beat?
Or like this.
Is Mr. Famous on the mix?
Fabulous Productions.
High Flex Music.
I made all the signatures and name tag using just my phone. So now let me show you how you can also do yours. You will need an app called CapCut. CapCut, I believe most of you know it is a video editing app that allows you to edit videos. So when you open CapCut, click on new project, just select any photo, any random photo. So I'll just choose any photo. So when it opens, you just come down here and you click on text. Now, what you have to do is to type in the signature you want to use. Type in, like, let me just say I want to use is Mr. Famous on the mix. So I just have to type in Mr. Famous on the mix. So now the next thing you will do is to click on text to speech. Then you wait for it to load different voices. It will show you male and female voice. So you just have to choose between. If you want to use a male voice, you choose male. If you want to use a female voice, you choose female. Let's just try using some random voices.
Is Mr. Famous on the mix?
Let's try another one. If you don't like this,
Is
you can
Mr.
just keep
Famous
trying
on
and
the
trying.
mix?
Is Mr. Famous on the mix?
Now let's try some male voices.
Is Mr. Famous on the mix?
Is Mr. Famous on the mix?
So once you finally see a voice you like, all you got to do is just click on it, then you click on the OK icon and wait for it to generate.
Is Mr. Famous on the mix?
So once you finish generating your speech, the next thing you have to do is to export it. And to do that, just click on this arrow at the top. So now let's close CapCut. You will need another app that can convert videos to audios. So for this, I'll be using an app called Video to MP3 Converter. It's very easy to use and you can get it on Play Store. Once it opens, just click on Video to Audio. So here you see the video we just exported from CapCut. Just click on it. Then you see here where the right format. You come and choose the format you want. So let's click on Wave Format. Now the next thing you want to do is to rename it. And to rename it, you tap the stop here. You cancel these ones. Just give it any name you like. Let me just say Mr. Nelson or Mr. Famous name tag. So once you finish renaming it, the next thing you do is to come down here and click on this red icon that says Convert. The moment you click on Convert,
Is
it
Mr.
automatically
Famous on the
saves
mix?
the audio to your device memory. So now you can just go and open your DAW, maybe BandLab or FL Studio Mobile, then import the audio into your DAW and add some effects like delay and reverb. So that was all for this tutorial. Please, in case you find this tutorial helpful,
Is
don't
Mr.
forget to give
Famous
this
on the
video a
mix?
thumbs up. And if you're new around here, please subscribe to this channel. And bye.
Is
See you
Mr.
guys in my
Famous
next
on the
video.
mix?